Leah, what are you doing? Playing on your mat? Hi, Leah. Leah Rose. It's July 25th. That means you're 1 month old today. You're a big girl. Getting so big. Yeah. Get that guitar. Get it. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. We like to play on our mat. Yeah? You kicking? Oh. Leah Rose. You're 1 month today. Why are you putting that in your face? Oh, that makes a silly noise. How about this one? Who's that pretty girl?